In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a live wallpaper from Pinterest on laptop. We'll walk through finding a video-style pin on Pinterest, copying its link, and using a safe online tool to download it to your computer. I'll also share a few tips to keep things smooth and secure along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Pinterest.com. If Pinterest asks you to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access the full search results and pin details. Once you're on the homepage, click into the search bar and type live wallpaper. Press enter to see all the results. On the results page, look for pins that are actually videos, not static images. A quick way to tell is to hover over a pin and see if it starts playing, or click it and check for playback controls. Choose a video you like and open it. Let it play for a few seconds to confirm it's the clip you want and that the quality looks good. Next, locate the share option on the pin page. Click share, then select the option to copy the link. This gives you the direct URL to that specific pin. Open a new browser tab and search for Pinterest Video Downloader. You'll see a variety of sites that can extract videos from a pin URL. Choose a reputable one with a clean layout and minimal ads. Avoid anything that forces you to install software or asks for personal information. On the downloader page, look for a field that says something like Paste URL or Enter Pinterest link and paste the link you copied. After pasting, click the button to process or download the video. If the site offers multiple quality options, pick the one that balances quality with file size based on your preference. When your browser prompts you, confirm the download and note the save location, usually your downloads folder. Once it's finished, open the file to make sure it plays correctly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the downloader doesn't work or the link fails, try a different downloader site. Some pins are restricted or change over time. Make sure you have the right to download and use the content, and keep it for personal use unless the creator explicitly allows otherwise. Finally, remember that a live wallpaper on a laptop typically means setting a video as your desktop background using a wallpaper app. The video you downloaded is the content. You'll still need compatible software on Windows or Mac OS to apply it as a live wallpaper. That's it. Quick, simple, and ready to customize your desktop with motion.